On top of the news, a combo of monetary policy reforms, social development programs, and subsidies and slowing down the rise in food prices was government's surefire formula to rein in inflation substantially, with a nearly 2.5 percentage point decline since a year ago. Our Christian Bascones enumerates a number of government's programs that have helped bring down inflation, plus its relentless efforts to slash the cost of the country's staple grain millions can't live without in this report.
AKAP, Sibol, CARD, ISIP, FARM, TUPAD, and 4Ps. These are social assistance programs from the government that have supported those in the vulnerable sectors to increase their spending capacity. In addition to monetary policy adjustments by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the close monitoring of prices of basic commodities, and most importantly, the declaration of a food security emergency to address the rice price hike. These are among the big contributing factors why the inflation rate dropped in April this year. According to the latest data from the Philippine Statistics Authority, the inflation rate dropped to 1.4% in April 2025, compared to 3.8% in the same month in 2024 and 1.8% in March 2025.
Alam natin na yung pinakamataas na weight doon sa ating basket ay bigas, at ito ay talagang pababa na. Itong Abril 2025, ang ating inflation for rice ay nasa negative 10.9%. So malaking contribution ito doon sa pagbaba ng presyo ng overall na bilihin at serbisyo sa bansa.
The price per kilo of regular milled rice in April this year was at 44 pesos and 45 centavos, lower than April 2024's price of 51 pesos and 25 centavos and March 2025's price of 46 pesos and 9 centavos. For well-milled rice, the price stood at 50 pesos and 54 centavos per kilo in April, as opposed to 56 pesos and 42 centavos per kilo in April 2024, and 52 pesos and 20 centavos per kilo in March this year. As for special rice, the price was 60 pesos and 69 centavos per kilo this April, compared to 64 pesos and 68 centavos per kilo in April 2024, and 62 pesos and 50 centavos per kilo in March 2025. Meanwhile, the government's program of selling rice at 20 pesos per kilo has greatly contributed to the decrease in overall inflation.
Mas malaki ang impact pag umabot na dun sa 20 pesos na yung price. Binabantayan natin ito. Sa ngayon, sabi ko nga kanina dun sa regular milled, nasa 40 pesos level, negative 13.3% na. No? So, pag bumaba pa ito, of course, mas malaki yung contribution niya doon sa pagbaba ng overall inflation. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, yung bigas ang isa sa may pinakamataas na weight sa ating overall inflation basket. Ito ay may weight na 8.9%.
According to the PSA report, these are the three major reasons for the slowdown in inflation. First is the tumble in price of cereals and cereal products. Second is the drop in the price of vegetable and fruits. And third is the decline in the price of fish and other seafood products. The average inflation from January to April dropped to 2%, marking the lowest recorded inflation since November 2019.
This is Christian Bascones from PTV Manila.
Balitang Pambansa.